Hello, my dear students. Good morning to all. Today we will do revision of lesson third and fourth. Okay. So solve the following. First of all, first question. Multiply the following. Here given. How many example? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Examples are there. All example based on multiplication only. So we need here multiplication table for multiplication lesson. 2 to 20 at least. Okay. Now multiply the following. A 6 into 19. 19 6 are. Or otherwise take bigger number is 6 and 19 up and below that 6 and you multiply 6 nines are like that you have to multiply. Understood? It is if you are not by writing this table, so at least 6 table you should know. 6 nines are, and after that 6 nines are 54, right? 4 carry 5, 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 5 like that. Okay. Now B 5071 into 50. First you have to multiply by 5. After that, before multiplying by 1, you have to place there 0. You have to write this 5071 up below that number 51. Understood? Now see 514 into 91. All example like that only. D 652 into 152. First you multiply by 2 and after before multiplying by 5 you have to put 10 and multiply, and after that before multiplying by 1 you have to put 20. Understood? Like that. Now 662 into 1000. Here you can do directly. How? Just number 662 into 1. If we are multiplying any number by 1, then what answer we will get? That number itself. Property of multiplication. Multiplying any number by 1, we get that number itself answer. Okay. So 662 into 1, 662. 662. Now how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Directly you can put there 3 zeros. Now you have 1480 into 70. In this number, ones place 0 and in this is 4 digit number, ones place is 0 and second one is 2 digit number and ones place is 0. So just you will multiply number and number. Which number? 148 into 7. First you multiply that one. And whatever answer getting, in answer you have to put how many zeros? 2 zeros. Understood? Second example, estimate 2973 into 195 by rounding to the nearest hundreds. First you round this number to the nearest hundred. 1s, 10s, 100. 973. Where it get near to 900 or 1000 like that. Okay. First you estimate this number. Here also by rounding to the nearest hundred. And then do multiplication. Now third example, a book has 100 pages. How many pages will 235 copies of the book have? A book has number of pages in one book equal to 100 pages given. So number of pages in 235 books or copies equal to we have to find. So what you have to do? 235 into 100. Now fourth example, a pharmacy can what it is given? Pharmacy. This is M. A pharmacy can produce 6000 capsules in every hour. How many capsules will it produce in 30 hours? 30 what it is given? Hours. A pharmacy मतलब जहाँ पर मेडिसिन वगैरह तैयार होती है. Can produce 6000 capsules. क्या तैयार कर रहे हैं वहाँ पर? Capsules. In every hour. Every मतलब एक 1 hour में कितने कैप्सूल तैयार हो रहे हैं उस फार्मेसी में? 6000. यहाँ पूछा है how many capsule will it produce in 30 hours. 30 hours में कैप्सूल कितने प्रोड्यूस होंगी वो फार्मेसी में? तो क्या करना है फिर? 6000 into 30 यानी 6 3s are 18 और भी कितने जीरो है? 1 2 3 and 4. इन 18 के बाद 4 जीरो आपको डालना होगा. तो उतने नंबर ऑफ कैप्सूल्स ए फार्मेसी प्रोड्यूस इन 1 hour इक्वल टू 6000. सो देन नंबर ऑफ कैप्सूल ए फार्मेसी कैन प्रोड्यूस इन 30 hours वी हैव टू फाइंड. ओके. सो जस्ट यू हैव टू डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो नोट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चंस. नाउ फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन लुक दैट डिवाइड द फॉलोइंग. 2,72,781 divided by 3. So divide this number. This is dividend. Bigger number is called dividend. Smaller, this second number is called divisor. You have to find the quotient and the remainder. Understood? Next example. Divide. 4 examples are there. A, B, C, and D. B 6,42,740 divided by 20. Here 0, here 0. You can neglect this 0 first of all. Okay. Then you divide this. 64274 divided by 2. Find the answer there after dividing. Now 8764 divided by 1000. Here 3 0 are there. So underline ones, tens, hundred. So underline three number, ones, tens, hundred. Okay, this is underline number is called what? Three numbers are underlined. These underlined number are called remainder, and those number we have not underlined, that is called what? Quotient. Understood? Now next number, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, ten, lakh. 5,86,098 divided by 80. So divide that number properly. This number. Sixth example, find the quotient and the remainder and verify your answer using the division rule. Division rule, you should know that. What is our division rule? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That one. 23,857 divided by 9. At first divide this number by 9. Find the quotient and the remainder. After that apply their division rule. Both side, left hand side and right hand side value should be the same. You should get the same only. Now seventh example, if dividend equal to 37,460, comma quotient equal to 2,341 and remainder equal to 4, then find what we have to find? Divisor. That only. Dividend given, divisor given, remainder given. We have to find divisor. Apply that division rule only. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That. Understood? That apply that formula and put the values and find the answer. You will get divisor value there. Eighth question, write two division fact for the following multiplication fact. 45 divided by 5 equal to 9. So you have to write two division fact, not write two multiplication fact. Right here, write two multiplication fact. Write two multiplication write to multiplication fact for the following. Which fact? Division fact. For the following, what we have to write? Division fact. Okay, write to multiplication fact for the following division fact. 45 divided by 5 equal to 9. Now two multiplication fact we have to write. 9 into 5, 45 and 5 into 9, like that. Understood? So note down these examples. One. Now question number 9, look at 16 eggs can be packed in a tray. In a tray, that is, this is T-R-A-Y. This is tray. Okay. 16 eggs can be packed in a tray. How many trays are needed to pack 37,472 eggs? In A means 1. एक ट्रे में 16 एग्स, ट्रे मतलब जहां पर हम एग्स वगैरह ले जा सकते हैं उसमें, नहीं क्या? ट्रे में उसमें छोटे छोटे बॉक्सेस होते हैं, उसमें सेपरेट है एग्स. तो एक ट्रे में 16 एग्स हम कैपेसिटी है एक ट्रे की, यानी 16 से ज्यादा नहीं जा सकते एक ट्रे में. अब यहाँ पूछा है हाउ मेनी ट्रेज आर नीडेड टू पैक. अगर आपके पास इतने एग्स है, 37 एग्स है ना, अंडे 37,472 एग्स है, तो इस इतने एग्स को कितने ट्रे लगेंगे वो फाइंड करना है. तो पहले सबसे पहले टोटल नंबर ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू 37,472 गिवन. नंबर ऑफ एक्स कैन बी पैक्ड इन वन ट्रे इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 16. दैट आल्सो गिवन. सो नंबर ऑफ एक्स कैन बी, नंबर ऑफ ट्रेस कैन बी नीडेड टू पैक 37,472 eggs. What we have to do? This and this two number dividation. So 37,472 divided by 16. On the side you can write table of 69 then to division. Okay. Now next example. How many digit number? 6 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3,74,779 toffees are to be packed in pouches. 18 toffees can be packed in a pouch. How many complete pouches can be packed? How many toffees are left? So total number of toffees how much given? 3,74,779. Okay. Number of toffees packed in one pouch equal to 18. So number of complete pouches. यहाँ complete pouches कितने लगेंगे? तो यहाँ पर इसको क्या कर रहा है? 3,74,779 divided by 18. Whatever you are quotient getting, quotient जो क्वेश्चन आता है यहाँ पर लिखा है. जैसे कुछ भी आएगा that much complete pouches can be packed. यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन फाइंड कर रहा है और यहाँ पर क्या पूछा है? हाउ मेनी टॉफीज आर लेफ्ट. लेफ्ट यार रिमाइंडर. जो आंसर आता है रिमाइंडर बाकी रहेगा वो लिखना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 9 या 10 जो भी है 10 टॉपिक्स आर लेफ्ट और 2 टॉपिक्स आर लेफ्ट, जो भी आएगा। तो इसको डिवाइड करना है, क्वेश्चन आएगा, रिमाइंडर आएगा। क्वेश्चन यानी नंबर कंप्लीट पाउचेस कैन बी पैक्ड, यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिखना है और ये सेकंड वाले क्वेश्चन में रिमाइंडर का आंसर लिखना है। समझ में आया? सो नोट डाउन दिस 9 and 10 एग्जाम्पल्स। सो ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस 10 examples, okay?